Hey guys, so this is a video for Emily Faithfrey, and I know she has a peace garden, but I want to do really something special for her. Okay, let's get started. So, look who it is. Who do you think it is? Think about it. Peace, peace, peace garden. Who's in the peace garden? And that's a pig. Yes, it is Peace Pig! And I've also got Peace Chicken! Oh, they're so cute. This is series 2. They are out. His wings even move. Look at them. Oh my god, his wings. His wings move. Watch. See, look! He's so cute! And Peace Pig's head moves, and his legs, his back legs move. It's too much. They move. It's like he can sit down. See, watch. He's gonna sit down. He's gonna like sit down. That's him sitting down. See, cause there, sit down. So let's put these two together. Let's put these two together. Yeah. Oh, these are cute. Peace Chicken, you're gonna ride on Peace Pig. Who is it? Peace Pig and Peace Chicken! Yeah. So Peace Pig and Peace Chicken. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time.